Hey guys, Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful Cherokee wolf den. This is the 301BH. If you're looking for a travel trailer where you have plenty of room for all the kids, this is the one for you. I'll do a little walk around outside, then we'll go inside and see what you think. Starting up front, nice aerodynamic front cap, power tongue jack, twin 20-pound LP tanks. Brand new battery will be on board when you take possession. Battery disconnect up front here, which is nice to shut everything down if you're going to run to town. Nice big storage compartment. Nice mirrored window finish. Step above solid steps. Big power awning with LED lighting. Outdoor speakers which have the blue backlighting. TV mount. TV input, nice secondary access door right into the bathroom, and of course a great outdoor kitchen. You got an ice maker, a cooktop, huge fridge, leash latch down here for the pups, sink, storage, lights. Again, just a great way to take the whole family camping. I can't wait to show you the inside. As we go towards the back here, you get your spare tire, your fold down tray, which is great for stacking firewood, piling coolers when you get to your campsite. Backup camera already on board. Two real big nice slide outs again on the inside that will reflect a lot more space, but this is just a great layout for the whole family. And then up front you have your water heater, your outdoor shower, your water fill. All right, let's go take a peek inside. Again, these solid adjustable steps are so great. Nice big grab handle here. We'll start with the master. Nice big windows. Wardrobes on both sides. Wardrobe overhead, LED lights throughout, AC duct, additional door into the master, so his and hers entries, TV bracket, storage, electric fireplace. It's a great way to take the chill out of the room in the mornings and the evenings without having to run your furnace and burn that LP. Your audio head unit as well. So I'll give you a nice little panoramic shot here of this living space, kitchen, dining area. Jackknife sofa, dinette converts into a bed, 12-volt fridge, freezer, air fryer, 3-burner cooktop, stainless steel sink with glass washer. Great storage throughout. Your control panel, convenient right when you walk in the door. Slides, awning, lights, water heater. Additional storage here in the back for the kids. Or for the bed, for the bathroom. Real shallow tub if you've got the young ones. Skylight, medicine cabinet, sink, additional storage. Alright, so jackknife sofa in the bunk room. Folding bunk above the bed. So literally you can sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. TV mounts already in place. All plumbed and wired, ready to go for the TV. Great storage. Additional wardrobe. Totes for all their gear and toys. Heat and air duct back here. Just a great way to go for the whole family. Again, my name is Michael Koski with Bullion RV. Call me, text me, email me, 218-740-4968 or 218-225-8463. comment, like, share. But again, reach out. I'm happy to help you. And I currently have this one on sale for $36,795. So it's a great deal for a travel trailer of this size for the whole family. As always, thank you so much and have a great day.